For the very latest travel information, stay with the Weather Channel, the Winter Weather Authority. Now, your local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 26 degrees with snow. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, periods of snow. Some sleet may mix in. Low 27. Winds east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. And on Monday, wintry mix of precipitation. Some icing possible. High 31. Winds east-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. About 1 inch of snow expected. And Monday night, an icy mix early. Low 28. Chance of precipitation 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook.